Hey there, welcome back to Nail Chronicle. So it's currently raining as I'm recording this, so hopefully you don't get too much echo or too much background noise, but we'll see how we go. So for this video, I'm swatching the OPI polish Tickle Me Francie. I got this polish for free. I saw an advertisement pop up on Facebook that said, if you enter your email address and sign up to our newsletter, we'll send you out free nail polish. I'm like, sure, why not? We'll see what happens. So I popped in my PO box address and away we went. So another advantage of having a PO box. Yeah, so I started, I sort of forgot I had done this, and all of a sudden out of the blue, I got a message saying there was a package in my PO box. I was hoping that it'd be my Minology package that's gone missing, but unfortunately it wasn't. But even better surprise, I got my free nail polish bottle. So I took it home, unwrapped it, and discovered it was a pink. And I've said this before, but I don't normally wear pinks. I wear more purples and blues and greens and that sort of colour. So I thought, you know what, I'll just go with it and see what I come out of it, so see what comes out from it and see how it looks. I put it on and I love the colour. It's sort of surprised me. It's not that super girly pink, but it's a nice, just kind of, it's got a little bit of purple through it, and it's a really nice new shade. Now in the video here, it does look a little bit darker than it is in real life, and I found that it did change in the lighting. So if you follow me on Instagram, and if you're not, hit up the Nail Chronicle, and you'll see the different lighting and the effect that it had on this polish. So in the more of the sun, it had that very light, almost barely there pink, and then when I was a bit more in the shade, it was really dark and had a bit more of a purple undertone, which I really loved because it gave it a little bit of variety throughout the week that I was wearing it. So I ended up doing 2 coats, and I will ask you excuse my thumbnail particularly. I hit it with the knife on the couple of days before. It's got a little dent in it, but nothing too major, so it just looks a little bit funny at the moment. I'm just waiting for that to grow out before I decide to chop my nail, or before I have to chop my nail. So then I started my second coat, and you can see here, this is just with 1 coat of polish. And it's already pretty opaque. It was a little bits where it was a little bit patchy, that like normal, and so the second coat definitely was needed. It's not a 1-coater at all, but most of the OPIs I find are at least 2 coats and maybe 3 if I've done my one of the coats a bit thinner than I would normally. So in terms of like the brush and it going on, it was really smooth formula. It felt very similar to the other OPI formulas, and that's one thing I do love about the OPI polishes, is that they're 9 out of 10 times really consistent with their nail polish. So I know how long they're going to take to dry. I know that how thick to put them on, which is really cool. So I just kept putting the nail polish on and finished off. I did do a little experiment with my thumbs using the OPI Rapid Dry Spray. I'll post that up next week. I had a surprising result. So here we go. I add a little bit of nail stamping just to jazz it up a little bit. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you want some more thoughts behind this polish, head over to my blog post at thenailchronicle.com. Until next time, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you then. Bye!